Congratulations.
Thank you.
So talk to me about the biggest lesson that you took from Green Fire into Mural Health.
The biggest lesson that I've learned is that staying hyper-focused on an external mission as opposed to an internal or profit-driven mission actually ends up producing profound innovation that you could never imagine.
How about that, right? And then tell us a little bit about what this award means to you.
I think that this award for me represents a milestone or like a data point that signals that we're on the right track.
So talk to me about what you're excited about in terms of how this investment is going to move the company forward.
Well, I'm very excited because the product that we're developing is really for unmet medical need for patients with uncontrolled hypertension, and and this is one of the first products that's been out for many years that I think we're really looking at patients who have failed therapy in the past and have on multiple doses of different hypertension medications. So this is going to really help them to just live healthier, better lives.
Fantastic, fantastic. And then tell us about what this award means to you.
It just shows me the commitment that our team has. So we started out virtually, so just building a virtual company in 2020 and where we are now in 2024 and seeing what we've been able to accomplish the last 4 years, and we're really excited for the next, the future years of where we're going to be and really getting this product to market and helping people.
Well, we are excited to watch you grow as well. Congratulations on the deal and on your award this evening. Thank you.
And thank you, John Congleton. He's the best leader of all, so he's our CEO.
Fantastic. Thank you. Talk to me a little bit about your motivation to get into the life sciences space.
Yeah, well, there's only one motivation, right? It's to cure the patients. We know the patients, right? We know the advocacy group. We know what they're dealing with. So it's very personal.
And that's the most important thing, I think. But tell me how you feel about winning this award.
I was just telling the reporter over there, it's really an honor because it's validation of what we do. We go to work every day just like everyone else. We stick our heads down and we just drive towards our objectives. And we think we're doing well. We see the science and we like what we see. We see investors putting money into the company. We think that's also validation. But it's really something else when your community and your peer groups who see everything want to single you out and say, wow, we think what you guys are doing is kind of special and important. And, it's really an honor. So thank you for considering us.
Thank you so much. And we're excited to see what you do in the future.
Thank you.
Does it feel a little weird to win in a category called emerging with so much experience?
Well, actually, in many instances, we are emerging. We're emerging in the sense that this is our first trial that we've run as a company. So it's a phase 2B trial in a very serious disease, glioblastoma for brain cancer. And actually, fact, today we just enrolled our very final patient in the study. So it's been a momentous day for us. We are hopeful that this will bring a solution for patients, and we'll move from emerging to a maturing organization on the back of that hope that we're bringing for patients.
Absolutely. And tell me what this award means to you.
It means for the organization, for the team, a lot. It means a recognition of a lot of hard work people have put in over the last 3 or 4 years to prepare and to conduct this trial. We had to build our own manufacturing facility. We've had to run a trial in 20 sites across the country. Everybody has gone beyond anything I could expect of a team to deliver this success in terms of completing the trial. So I think it's a wonderful, timely recognition, and we're very appreciative of PACT and of the judges for this recognition. It will be warmly received by the team.
Fantastic. How do you think Herve would respond to this?
Oh, I mean, he'll be thrilled. Unfortunately, he was traveling and unable to be here today, but we're very excited to be part of the life sciences community here in the region, and I know he would be very excited to have been recognized this evening.
And what does something like this mean to you personally?
Well, I think it's a great reflection on, the company. I know Herve would be the first to say that, he's one person, but there's 2,500 other people standing behind him. We have a significant amount of, we make a lot of investment in research and development, discovering our own products, our own medicines for patients in need. So I'm sure he would be very happy and very proud to accept this for the company as a whole.
We are still backstage here at the PACT Enterprise Awards, and I'm standing here with Dennis Johnson from Click, and just got the award for Technology Investment Deal. Congratulations on the deal and on the award. So what are you most excited about in terms of how this investment is going to move the company forward?
Well, it really opens up a whole new market for us beyond our traditional data analytics, and we started to get into the data management space about 4 years ago, and this really rounds out our capabilities there and providing a whole new set of product capabilities to our customers. So we're super excited. There's a big market opportunity in front of us, and we're really poised to capitalize on that.
Wonderful. And what does this award mean to you personally?
Well, I've been with the company for about 15 years, so I've seen it go through all different phases of growth, and this really starts a new chapter for us. So having worked personally on the deal, and been with the company as long as I have, and seen how far that we've come along, it has a lot of personal meaning. So really excited about it.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations again. I want the 60-second pitch on what Unilog does, though.
Oh yeah, so we're passionate about helping the parts of the economy that we think are not being helped by big tech. So wholesale distribution, discrete manufacturing, these are companies that are struggling with tech adoption, and so we help them really create a digital version of themselves, go to market digitally, meet the customers where they want to be met. So we're sort of leveling the playing field for industries that are falling behind from a digital perspective. And so our e-commerce platform and our digital platform really helps them accomplish that.
That is a fantastic mission. Wow, wonderful. Tell me what this award means to you personally.
Well, first of all, I'm surprised. I thought the other nominees were exceptional. I was not expecting it, so I'm genuinely humbled and honored. For me, I think it's a recognition that we're on a path to do something meaningful, and I am just blessed to be able to work with my team every day. It just means the world to me, and this is for them.
So what do future innovations look like for Cabaletta?
For us, it's about ensuring that we can develop the therapies that we have to as many patients as we can give them access to. CAR T therapy has the potential to be transformative, and we just want the opportunity to be able to develop for as many autoimmune patients as we can, whether it's through additional clinical trial efforts or expanding our reach to other indications. Being able to do that for patients is really what drives us as a company.
Fantastic. And talk to me a little bit about what this award means to you personally.
For me, I trained as a physician. I was a pediatrician at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. I made the choice to come from clinical medicine into, I don't say biotechnology, but into Cabaletta Bio, because of the opportunity to have a transformative impact for patients with autoimmune disease, not just treating symptoms, but getting to the root cause of disease and potentially being able to reset patients' immune systems to restore them to their original health. And that's what we're hopefully being able to execute on that vision as we start the clinical trials that we have ongoing.
That is so wonderful. Good luck with everything. And thank you for coming out tonight. Congratulations again, and enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
Take care. I'm here with Mike Albert with Dre Now, who has just won for Technology Emerging. So give me the 60-second lowdown on Dre Now.
Well, it's pretty easy. Right now, you probably remember the last few years, the supply chain's been a mess. Yes. We service the supply chain. We move those containers that you see in ports and rails. We move those from those ports and rails to their warehouse and final destination. So the stress has been on that supply chain industry. We've been on the forefront of trying to help solve and alleviate those problems.
So you're going to make sure that my packages are never late again?
Not me, but yes. Our technology will help do that, yes. We built a technology that's hyper-focused on this specific segment, which most of the investment around the logistics industry is put in other areas. we're hyper-focused on specifically this containers, making sure it's visibility, transparency, document transfer, data collection, analysis, data science. We focus just very, very, very narrow focused.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now tell me a little bit about what this award means for you personally.
Well, for me personally, it's been interesting. You go through COVID, and COVID set us back, so we had to retool and rethink some things. So for me personally, it's been over the last year, it's been amazing. Almost a little bit over a year ago, I had a stroke. Wouldn't believe that, right? So to bring us to where we are now, it's a real testament of. I was out of work not out of work, but I was sidelined for only about 2 weeks. I was very fortunate. My amazing employees are what really took us to where we are today. I mean, we last September did a major joint venture with Norfolk Southern, a major investor in us. They want to use our technology across our entire network. So even as we went through all that, the employees, they stepped up, and I have an amazing 24 employees that just have backed me, supported me, and been with me for every step of the journey.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations again. Well deserved. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
If I can say one more thing. This is our second time winning an award. And last time, I didn't have an opportunity to thank my family and specifically my wife. So here's my chance.
Matter of fact, let me give you the mic.
So, yes, I have 6 kids, by the way, and a beautiful wife, with one wife. My wife, Aslam, and my 6 kids, we love you very much. This is for you. Forgive me a time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. You earned it. Go get a drink. You deserve it. PACT Enterprise Awards. What a wonderful way to, wrap up this award ceremony. There have been a lot of highs and lows throughout the entire evening, and now it's time to celebrate. And I'm going to go grab a glass of wine. I'm Stephanie Humphrey, PACT Board Member. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.